Good afternoon, Sam. Your 94 F150 computer 4.9 liter is done. This is the ELK1 and the EFI SD47A speed density computer. 94 F150 4.9 306 owner. Okay. This one also had the capacitors replaced by the time they got to us, but the problem with this one was that there was a really bad trace, like a very big section missing on that top capacitor. There was like a half an inch to an inch of wire missing, so the capacitor leaked and damaged the trace, and just changing out the capacitors doesn't cut it. You got to fix the damage that occurred because of the leak. So we did that and put all new capacitors in it, and we think we're going to have a good result with this one. This dark green stuff you see here is a replacement conformal coating that's UV activated, and so it's a little different color than the original, but that's kind of hardened and it protects the repair work underneath. Keeps it from corroding again. So anyway, new capacitors, fixed the damage trace. We found a definite problem. We have a strong feeling that that's going to be a really good fix. And here we are on the bench. Powers up. This is a check engine light. This is your fuel pump. When we turn the key on, the check engine light should come on. The fuel pump should run for 1 second. And it does. You got 5 volts on the regulator. And when we throw it into code pulling mode, it's going to freak out here for a second, and then it'll start blinking some trouble codes. There's the freak out. And here comes the trouble codes. That's not a guaranteed win or anything. It's just this is what it should be doing, and it is doing it. So that doesn't tell you everything about how the computer functions, but it does tell you that it's doing everything we expect it to do, at least what we can test for on the bench. So we think we're going to have a good result here, and I will send you an email shortly.